How to fix can't download apps from Play Store. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, turn on your cellular data and check if your apps have been downloading from your Google Play Store. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch Play Store. From here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right. From here, scroll down below and tap on Settings. From here, go ahead and tap on About. Now scroll down below and you will see the option of Update Play Store. Make sure that your Play Store is updated to its latest version. Now another step in order to fix your issue is that launch Settings on your mobile device. From here, scroll down below and tap on Apps. From here, let's go to the search bar and then search for Play Store. Here we go. Once you come to App Info page, scroll down below and tap on Storage. From here, you can directly tap on Clear Data and then Clear Cache. So this is another step that will help you to fix your issue. Now let's go back again. Now, once you are on Settings page, go to Device Care. Over here, make sure that you still have storage left on your phone and that your storage is not full. So, check this in order to make sure that you are able to download apps from Play Store. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.